Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook can't log out. To know how to fix Facebook can't log out, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to click for apps, default apps, app, settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here. And when you will see this page, you will click in down force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here like this, as you see. And after that, you will go down to find this clear cache, and you will click it. After that, you will go to click here clear data, as you see, and then you will go to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.